you can change WhatsApp language to any language from English to that particular language or that particular language to English. First of all, you have to click on these vertical three dots in the top right corner and click on settings. In the settings, simply click on chats because this is a language matter, so your work will be located in chats. Click on chats. In the chats, you have to click on app language. You see, where is the app language? Here. You have to click on this app language, and that will help you to convert any language from English to that particular language. Like I click on this language. This is probably Bengali, and this language is normally practiced in India and Bangladesh like countries, and you see all the chats are written in Bengali. All are converted to Bengali, status and everything. Now you can change back that to English. How to do that? Simply get back to the point, click on chat in the same language and click on this. Just remember, if you do not understand this language, remember this globe. This is the sign of WhatsApp language. This globe. You see this globe in the left corner. So click on that and then you can find the settings of language. Click on that and click on English. They will show you that in a bracket. So remember, always find out that English to convert any language to English. To convert any WhatsApp language from any language to English, you have to find out this English. Click on that, check that. Click on this radio button. So everything is converted to English now. That was the basic. You have any question, you can ask me in the comment box below.